A great function is to create videos of your show, and the best part of it is that you can add camera movement so you can watch the fireworks from different directions. See how this works.
To make cinematic camera motion in a video, as you see here, you set up camera so-called keyframes at different points in the show. The camera moves smoothly from keyframe to keyframe. A keyframe is a point of view at a point in time. To set up a simple camera animation for a video, insert a keyframe at the beginning of the show. Then add another keyframe with the camera at a different position at another time point of the show. The camera will move smoothly between them during the video. Let's go through all the points needed to create such a camera motion. Move the playhead on the timeline to 0.0, the beginning of the show. Orient the view the way you want it to look at the beginning of the video. Do the menu item, Camera. Add camera keyframe. Move the playhead on the timeline to the end of the show, or some time in between. Reorient the view the way you want it to look at this point in time. Do the menu item, Camera. Add camera keyframe again. Play the show from the beginning and watch the camera move. The keyframes are shown as vertical bars that are not cue flags on the timeline. They also could be accessed from the Windows menu. Repeat the above steps for further camera oscillations and movements. You can turn the camera movement on or off with the menu item Camera. Turn on camera motion. When you have set all keyframes, you can create a complete video or just a sequence of the show that you can give to your customer. To do so, select File, Create Image or Video, Create Video. In the upcoming dialog you can specify the quality, the duration and some other properties of the video. First, you have to select the output format. Leave it as MP4 for a video. Then you can set the resolution. For the hobbyist version this is limited to 720p. For the Pro you can create videos with 1080p, which is full HD quality. Or even up to 2160p, which is 4K quality. With the next setting you define how many pictures per second are generated. I set it to 25, because this is producing almost high quality videos. Of course, more frames per second and a higher resolution would need more time to render the video. With the next settings you specify the time range of the show. Please adjust the end here, because it is not determined automatically from the length of your show. If you want only to use only a sequence here, adjust the values you want to see from your show. All other settings will adjust brightness, audio and aspects of effects. The defaults are quite good here, but feel free to try different ones to adjust the video for your needs. If all settings are done, press the OK button. The rendering of the video will start. You are asked to specify a location to store the generated video, so pick a directory and a meaningful name. The rendering will start, depending on the show duration, the quality you have chosen and the power of your graphical unit processor. This process will take some time. If it is finished, the video will be displayed in the movie player of your system.